Welcome to Topbox. Starting a new musical journey with the piano is incredibly exciting, but choosing your first instrument can be overwhelming. Yamaha is one of the most trusted names in the music world, and their digital keyboards are legendary for their quality and feel. But which one is right for a beginner? Today, we're exploring the best Yamaha keyboards to help you start playing, focusing on models that will help you grow as a musician. We'll look at the feel, the sound, and the features that matter most. The links to all the instruments we discussed are in the description. Product 1. Yamaha P71. We start with a classic and one of the most recommended entry points for new pianists, the Yamaha P71. This instrument is all about focus. It provides the core experience every new piano student needs without any distracting clutter. You get a full 88-key keyboard with Yamaha's graded hammer standard GHS action. This means the keys in the low register feels heavier and the high register keys feel lighter, just like on an acoustic piano. This is crucial for building proper finger strength and technique from day one. The P71 is also slim, lightweight, and incredibly portable, making it perfect for smaller spaces or musicians on the move. It features 10 high-quality voices, including a beautiful grand piano sound sampled using Yamaha's AWM technology. It's a no-nonsense instrument that delivers the authentic feel and sound you need to practice and grow, all at a very accessible price point. The link for this keyboard is in the video description. Product 2. Yamaha P143. Next up is the Yamaha P143, which takes the fundamentals of a great beginner piano and puts them into an even more modern and compact design. This model features Yamaha's newer graded hammer compact GHC key action. This new keybed was engineered to provide the same realistic weighted feel of its predecessors, but in a slimmer profile instrument, making it even easier to fit into any room. The P143's main piano sound is sampled from the renowned Yamaha CF3IS concert grand, giving you a rich, expressive tone. It also has a 64-note polyphony, which is more than enough for a beginner's repertoire. With its clear built-in speakers and compatibility with Yamaha's Smart Pianist app, the P143 is a fantastic, straightforward choice for the serious student who values both authentic feel and a modern, space-saving design. You can find the link for the P143 in the description. Product 3. Yamaha P225. The Yamaha P225 represents another step up in sound and design. Like the P143, it uses the slim GHC key action, but it pairs it with a much more advanced sound engine. The P225 features the sound of the flagship Yamaha CFX concert grand piano, the same piano heard on stages worldwide. This is a significant upgrade in audio quality, providing stunning realism and dynamic range. This model also includes virtual resonance modeling light, a technology that recreates the complex sympathetic resonances you would hear in an acoustic grand piano, making the sound feel alive and organic. The P225 is for the beginner who is also an audiophile, someone who wants an authentic piano feel and a truly top-tier piano sound from the very beginning. The link for the P225 is in the description. Product 4. Yamaha DGX 670. Now for something completely different. The Yamaha DGX 670 is not just a digital piano, it's a portable grand and a full-on arranger workstation. While it still features the 88-key graded hammer standard GHS action, its true power lies in its versatility. This is the keyboard for the beginner who wants to do it all, not just learn piano, but write songs, play with a full band, and sing. The DGX 670 is loaded with over 630 high-quality instrument voices and 263 accompaniment styles that provide a complete virtual backing band that follows your playing. Features like Smart Chord let you play full-sounding chords with just one finger, and you can even plug in a microphone and sing along. If your goal is to be a one-person band, this instrument provides an entire universe of creative tools to explore. The link for this versatile keyboard is in the video description. Finally, we arrive at the Yamaha P525. This is the premium choice for the serious beginner, the person who is investing for the long haul. This instrument is a major step up in every category. The most significant feature is its Grand Touch S keyboard, which features full-length wooden white keys just like an acoustic piano. This provides an unparalleled level of realism, balance, and expressive control. The sound is just as impressive, featuring samples from two of the most famous concert grands in the world, the powerful Yamaha CFX and the warm and rich Bosendorfer Imperial. It boasts a massive 256-note polyphony, a 16-track onboard recorder, and built-in Bluetooth audio. The P525 is a beautiful instrument that a beginner can grow into and an advanced player will never grow out of. You can find the link for this premium piano in the description. And there you have it, a look at the best Yamaha keyboards to kickstart your musical journey. From the focused and affordable P71 to the incredibly versatile DGX 670 and the premium wooden key P525, Yamaha has an instrument that will match your goals and your budget. The most important thing is to choose one that makes you want to sit down and play. As a reminder, the links to all these keyboards are in the video description. Remember to like the video, comment, and activate the notification bell. See you at the next video.